Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to install a custom MT4 indicator. Indicators that developed by developer of MQL4 by people, then you want to add them externally. It's not the same indicator that we see here, it's something developed and new. So we need to add them. Okay, it's externally web, but we will see now. So as we see here, we have the euro dollar chart now, and we need to add a custom indicator to the MT4. So we go to the MQL5 website. Then we go to the code base. As we see here, Metatrader 5, Metatrader 4. Then we go to indicators. Then we choose new one, like let's talk about RSI and moving average. We click on it, then we download it by clicking here. This is the file RSI plus moving.mq4. We click, it's downloaded. Okay, then we go to the editor file. So as we see here in the download, this is our new indicators, RSI plus moving, we see here in the downloads. Then we go to the editors. Okay, how to open the MT4 editors, let's do it. Okay, so to open it, we go to this icon, then we click on it. So here we see the MT4 editor. Here is the indicator that we need to add one. So we go to here to open an exist document in the computer. We open this. So as we see here, this is the MT4 file. Okay. And here, this is our downloads. This is what we did now. Okay. So what we need to do is to just to drag, pull it and to drag it here. So here's RSI, open. Then we click and save. Then we go to the MT4. We just close it. Let's also close the editor. Then we reopen it. We go to this icon, go to the custom, and here we see RSI plus moving. We applied it. As you see, this RSI plus moving. Okay, data. Okay, so here is the indicator. So this is a custom indicator that we added by the meta editor itself. Okay, an easy and simple way. It can help you to find a lot of interested indicator here, something like next CD. Let's check this. You can arrange by best divergence splitter. I will see this. We download it. We open the editor. We open the editor file. We go to our downloads. The Avengers. This. We add it. We open it. We save it. We restart the Metatrader. We go to the custom. What was the name? This. Okay, this is indicator divergence, blah blah blah. Okay. So here we add it. Also RSI moving something. So it's in simple and easy way to add this. Thank you for watching.